Hello everybody, this is just a quick little video to show you how to use the Google Slides to put your work on and then share with your teacher. So in your new class folder, you'll find that there will be some work that has been put through the class stream, but it will appear just on the stream function. So if I open up this particular post, you'll find I have got some videos that you can watch and the actual John Brack Critical Historical sort of question sheet that will guide your responses. So once you've gone through all of those bits of information, if you want to have a go at responding on the Google Classroom slide, you can go straight up to this icon where you have the dots, click, and then click the Google Slides icon, and that will open up a template that you can work on. So we'll start with a blank template, which is the first one. And it just takes a minute or so to load. Now, if we just click on that prepared text box, I can change my title to John Brack. Fantastic. Now, in the text box below, if you can put your name, fantastic. Now, to make a new slide, see where slide is up on the bar there? We're going to click and click new slide. Now, I don't necessarily want that text box, so I'm highlighting it with my mouse and deleting from my keyboard. Same with the other one. Now, I would like to actually add an image on here. So I've already got one open on the internet. So I'm going to go to that image and I'm going to press right mouse click and copy image. And I'm going to go back to my untitled presentation, right mouse and paste. Fantastic. Now there is a task on that sheet that asks you to identify foreground, middle ground and background by using a line. So if we go to our line function, the scribble function allows you to draw a shape. So if I use a shape to identify where the foreground is, I can then simply go yay, and if I use a text box in conjunction, I can write foreground. Yay! And I can even make it really fantastic by using an arrow to indicate what I've done. If you want to change the color, you can simply go to line color. Say I would like to maybe do it red, that one, so it stands out. Hey. And you can do that task on that particular slide. To make a new entry text box, you can click your text box. Once you've got your text box, you can type. Fantastic. You can then make a new slide to create or develop your written responses. You can even number them. And so forth. Oh, my first one's just, I must have deleted that. Okay, now if we were creating the drawing, if you wanted to have a go at the drawing, maybe click a new slide. I would probably just take out those text boxes and maybe make a new one. I could go to my line function again, and it could just even be the scribble, and you could draw a face like so, and then draw another face that indicates that they are overlapping. One of the tasks was to overlap, wasn't it? So overlap, yay, awesome. So have a go at that. It's like using PowerPoint and or Paint. Now, once you've done your work, what you'll need to do is click the orange button at the top which says share, call the name of the file John Brack and put your name on here as well. And then click Save. Then you'll need to type in the teacher's email address. Perfect. And then we select, oh, there's a missing letter. For some reason that's not done it. Oh, I'll just do that again. I've just had an error there. Now, once you've typed your teacher's name in, it will pop up automatically on your file. Okay, so I'm going to click Send. Awesome. So that has shared. Now, if I delete that and I go back to the Google Suite, and instead of clicking Google Classroom, I go into Google Drive, you can continue to work on that file the next lesson. It will be saved to your drive. And not only that, your teacher will get a copy of that work so you can get some feedback. So if we open up this one, you'll see that that was just the file that we were working on a few moments ago. There we go. Fantastic. So you can see that it's just loading up now. If I click on that second file, that's the work we just did. Okay, that's just a little demonstration in how to do a text box, and then I started to do that task to demonstrate my understanding of overlapping. You know, I might want to go in and put maybe another person on that particular task. So I'll have a go. Here we go. Oh, my face is looking a bit strange, but that's okay. There we go. Now I've got another face. Okay, so again, each time you do more work using Google Classroom, just make sure you share back to your teacher. And then when you have completed that, you'll press done. And you will have a record of the work that you have done, not only the work, but the progress that you have made. And it will allow your teacher to give you feedback on your work. Okay, can't wait to see your work soon. And if you're working on paper, that is fine. Whatever platform that you are comfortable with working on, do that, that's fine. So if you are working on paper, just hang on to it and bring it back to school when we return. Can't wait to see you all. Okay, see you soon.